I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your eSIM to a new iPhone can seem tricky, but it is actually pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Make sure your new iPhone is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. You'll need to have it ready for the eSIM transfer process. Step 2. Open settings on your old iPhone. On your old iPhone, go to the Settings app, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where you'll find your eSIM details. Step 3. Select your eSIM plan. In the Cellular or Mobile Data section, tap on your eSIM plan. Look for the option that says Remove Cellular Plan to prepare for the transfer. Step 4. Transfer the eSIM. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Confirm activation. After the transfer, you'll receive a confirmation on your new iPhone. Make sure to check that your cellular service is working properly. Sometimes, you may need to restart your new iPhone for it to fully activate. I hope this helps you smoothly transition to your new device. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support.